ing and my daily routine of a normal day. Teacher as infierno. The method I chose was the natural method because through this method students will learn in a similar way to how they learn their mother languages. The priority in this method is oral languages. In the natural method, languages input is not forced, but is allowed to rise spontaneously after students have paid attention to large amounts of understandable languages input. Next, I will give you a brief review of the present continuous, since there are students who know it but do not remember it. I will explain what it is and when it is used. After the explanation, the student will watch a video that explains the structure of the present continuous with as examples and some exercises. This is for them to practice their listening and thus apply the natural method. They follows the moment to practice the topic seen. They will have solved the exercise, filling in the empty space using the gerund, ing, inside the parentheses in the verb they must use, and they will have to put in the present continuous. After the previous exercise, I will show them another video of the daily routine. They should focus on hearing it to develop listening skills and know how to write their daily routine. On the left side there is an example of vocabulary to write the daily routine, and on the right side there is a short exercise to match the sentence with the image that represents them and corresponds to them. And finally, as homework, students must put into practice what they have learned and must write their daily routine. Thank you very much for your attention.